Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I want to talk to you about how to survive financially in 2023. The future can be a scary place, especially when it comes to money. But with the right strategy, you can gain an advantage in the game. Here are some tips for surviving 2023. Start by understanding your needs and wants and create a budget that reflects them. Be sure to include all necessary expenses such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Set aside money for savings and prepare for unexpected expenses. Try to live as frugally as possible so that you can save money for bigger expenses and investments. Look for ways to reduce your spending, such as finding cheaper housing or buying popular brands. Look for ways to reduce your spending, such as cutting back unnecessary subscriptions, buy generic brands, and reduce energy consumption. This frees up money for other expenses. Investing in stocks is a great way to generate passive income. Research the stock market and pick stocks that have shown promise in the past. Keep an eye on news and trends and try to diversify your investments. Make sure your spending is aligned with your priorities. For example, if you are having trouble paying your bills, you may need to cut any expenses such as dining out or entertainment. If you're struggling to make ends meet, consider ways to increase your income. This may include working part-time, doing freelance work, or looking for higher-paying employment opportunities. If you can't make ends meet, don't be afraid to ask your local government or nonprofit for financial support. Automate your savings so you don't have to think. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This will keep you on track towards your goals and prevent you from wasting money that should be saved. Use online banking to audit your finances. Set up an advisory when a specific account reaches a specific balance or when your credit card statement is due. This helps you keep track of your finances and make sure you never miss a payment. Finally, don't forget to keep up with the news. The world is changing fast, rapidly, and you don't want to be left behind. I hope these tips will help you to survive financially in year of 2023. Good luck! Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for new content every week. Don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Thank you for your support.